What? What happened?
Oh, thank God. Your conscience.
How long was I out?
Sriyanhe.
What the hell happened to me?
You fell from a building.
Not an accident, not a mistake.
What else?
The superiors brought this yesterday. They wanted your signature.
They wanted to make sure that I wouldn't sue. They dropped me. I'm not signing this bullshit.
I've got you.
I'd like to apply for a position. I want to look at cold cases involving superheroes.
That's unusual.
But you've got access to some evidence.
Yes. Alright, we'll let you look at these files.
Hey, it's the guy the hero saved from the fall.
That's a lie. You didn't even save me.
How are you, buddy? Is everything okay? How to save your life?
You didn't save me. You almost killed me. And you're using this as a publicity stunt.
Huh? Come on, you should be taking me. I just was doing my job. All of this, none of them is going to work. The FBI, the cops, the world, they're on my side, and they will never be on yours. Time for you to learn your place.
Hey, you okay?
I'm alright.
What was up?
Nothing. I'm okay.
So, what are you doing this weekend?
Probably cleaning the house. Maybe going to the comic book store.
Sounds good. Love you, son.
Love you too.
Here's everything. You need to be careful.
That's it? You're the FBI.
Go home.
What the hell happened to you?
I was attacked by superheroes.
Huh, you actually believe that? I gotta take this.
You'll need to sign this, and then come with us. Go to hell. Leave me alone!
Get him.
Oh!
Ah, what a surprise.
How could you betray me? Why are you gonna have me killed when I could expose everyone?
Expose who? Your precious heroes? Let's see how brave you are over the side.
Hey, if you've dropped my son, I will end you. And I will tell the owner that you are not worthy to be a hero.
Put him down.
As I fell, the memories came with me. The shows, the laugh, my bed, my everything.